So hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing products from Aliexpress that we bought for this season. So this from Aliexpress. Let's start the unboxing. First of all, it came in cover like this. Like this. I think we should cut it over here. And let's see what's in here. So a couple of packages. First package, let's see what's in here. First package, nice bubble wrap from the inside. Let's open this up. Let's see what's in here. Open. Wow, and another bubble wrap packet. Another packet. Let's open this one as well. And wow, there's the Weedless worm hook, guys. You can see it's known as the Weedless worm hook. I'll show you real quick what it is. The Weedless worm hook pack, and got this for 10 reals. This is the hook for rigging up a soft bait and not get stuck on the rocks. This kind of hook for this season, because I hope to use soft baits this year. First product. And now let's go for the second product. This is a box, seems like a box. This is also bubble wrap. Let's open this pack. Let's remove this pack from here. It looks kind of bad. Okay, so see what's in here. And ta-da! So this is the microphone, as some of my viewers had been complaining me about my voice in the videos, that it's not loud enough and they don't hear anything, and I too felt the same thing, and so that's why I bought this microphone. Hopefully, I hope it works, and you're going to be seeing it in my next videos. Hopefully I'm going to be using this mic. So let's go on to the next product, the second product. Let's move to the third product. Let's see what this is. Curious. Yeah, so let's cut this thing off. Probably should cut this way, yeah. Oh, packet is much harder this thing. So let me cut this thing. Pack. See what's in here. Oh wow, and these are the jig heads, guys. Jig heads, same thing. These are for the soft baits, and let's see how they came. Comes in a packet like this in the inside, and open it. We got the jig heads. Hope you can see them perfectly. The jig heads, 10 grams for some light rock fishing with soft baits. These hooks feel quite strong. This, and I got both of these kind of hooks for extremely low price over here. One of these, if you buy this thing in a shop over here, this thing costs like 5 real for one piece, while the entire pack of 5 pieces is like 10 real. So extremely cheap. Second is third product. Let's keep it over here. Now let's check out the fourth product. This thing is kind of heavier, and let's open this thing. It's kind of heavier than the other products. And These are the metal jigs. Wow, extremely good. I mean, I like them. Comes in a sealed pack, so nobody sends you the used ones, hopefully. Let's cut the tape off. See how the quality actually is. Wow, nicely. And as you can see, nice jigs over here. Metal jigs, 20 grams. All 20-gram jigs. I mean, they're quite big for 20 grams. Other jig companies, they make it quite small. I like it. Maybe it's a slow falling jig. It falls slowly, much slower. Attracts a different kind of fish. Redhead. This pink. I like this, man. This is extremely good product. Probably better than other jigs I've seen. So, fourth product. Now we're gonna go to the fifth product. Fifth product over here. Now this is like a pack to me. Let's see what's in here as well. And these are the soft baits to rig on the jig heads. Come in this kind of a pack. Wow, feels nice. Pal tails, nice tail over here. Nice baits. I bought these kind of baits especially for grouper fishing, because I want to catch a grouper this season. Never caught a grouper, and it's one of the most elusive fish in our area. Like a 10 piece, 10 different colors. This looks extremely good to me. This will work extremely well, hopefully. And this thing only costed 3 real. That's absolutely crazy. This same pack in a shop would probably cost something like 20 real, minimum 20 real. I'm telling you, this is like not even $1. Wow. This actually came from China all the way, and I made a new account on Aliexpress just so that I could get the free shipping. So it's extremely worth it. So if you're buying on Aliexpress, make sure to create a new account every single time so that you can get the free shipping. So now 5 products, and now the last product, that is this thing. Let's see what's inside. Cut the packet. And this is a crankbait. This is used also for grouper fishing in our areas. I'll explain you how this thing works, and I'll hopefully make a tutorial on it. This is the lure. You can see how big of a lip it has. This is because of the fact that when this thing dives extremely deep, and it helps you not get snagged, because suppose this is a rock, it first hits the rock, so you feel it, then you let the line loose, and then it floats little, and then you can retrieve it again, and it's pretty good. Nice. This is also for like 8 reals. Extremely good product. The hooks are kind of bad, so I will change them out. That's a common product with cheaper lures. They have bad hooks on there, but that's okay. We can always change the hooks out, but the split rings are good. And split rings are pretty good. Hopefully we'll catch a grouper on this, then we'll post the video. That's a rattling sound. So now all 5 products done. I'll show you all the products over here. Let's remove this pack. Let's remove this pack as well. These are like all the products that we bought. All these products cost $20 or 80 real. This pack of 5 jigs costs 20 reals, whereas if you buy it in a tackle shop or a branded one, the same thing is going to cost you something like 20 reals per jig, and it's going to be 100 reals just for this pack. And this one like 20-30 reals. You can't even find the mic anywhere in the shops. I've never seen a mic in shops. And this thing costs like 17 real. Jig heads both cost 10 real. And you guys, that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video as well to people who are trying to buy cheap fishing gear online. You guys, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned for new uploads this season. Hopefully we'll be getting on some big fish. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay safe.